The last time you were on Bloomberg television, you talked about Bitcoin. You talked about the ability for Bitcoin really to push higher. I'm not sure if you went out and printed hats and T-shirts with 400,000 on it, but we've seen Bitcoin double in price basically since that call there. I am wondering not only where you see it going, but what you think is actually going to drive crypto higher.
Well, I think one thing that we're seeing is the sudden interest in retail. In a story that appeared yesterday on Bloomberg, there was a discussion about how a lot of the crypto outlets are being overwhelmed. They're starting to limit the orders because they can't handle the demand. Now, I think in the short term, what that's telling you is, we're moving into a speculative frenzy, and that was one of the reasons for my tweet on Monday to say, perhaps it's time to take some money off the table here. But the other side of that is it's demonstrating that crypto is becoming much more mainstream. And the $400,000 price that I talked about really was based off of the supply of gold in the world, and crypto in a lot of ways is more attractive than gold. It's portable. You can use it to buy things with. We just saw a player for the Carolina Panthers insist that half of his salary be paid in crypto, which David Tepper, obviously went along with. So, the acceptability of crypto is rising rapidly, and I think Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have potentially a lot of upside.
Scott, we've only got less than a minute, but I know that Guggenheim's been requesting to be able to buy crypto on behalf of its investors. Have you been buying it? Has Guggenheim waded in yet?
Well, Caroline, I don't really think we're effective yet for any of our mutual funds, and we're going to take the feedback of our clients in terms of what they would like us to do. But it's nice to know the flexibility is there if it's in the good interest of the clients. But in some of our private funds, we have already purchased it, and I think if I recommended to somebody, if you believe what I said, that it'll go to 400,000 eventually, 2% of your portfolio will be 20% of your portfolio before this is over. So, you don't want to get too overweight, but certainly an allocation of a couple of percent of your portfolio seems to be a prudent thing.